Hey everyone, this is Angel Carrion. After I posted my virtual classroom on Facebook, I had a few questions about how I got my Bitmoji to be animated. So I'm going to show you briefly how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is set up a background to record your Bitmoji from Snapchat. What I did was just set up 2 blank sheets of white paper, but if you have a white wall, you can go ahead and use that as well. So what you want to do is open up your Snapchat application, and you will notice this icon down here. What you're going to do is set up your phone with your white background. You're going to click on this icon right here, and this will pop up. After you do that, you will notice that this icon pops up. Go ahead and select that, and what you want to do is search Bitmoji. And you will notice that there are different options, these colored options: disco dance, down here mic drop, dance machine. The one I used was called Look at This, so I'm going to select Look at This. And it's going to place my Bitmoji on my screen. Sorry about that. There it is. So it's loaded on my screen. You can move him around, bring him closer, make him bigger. What you want to make sure is that all of it shows up on your screen. So you don't want your hand coming off the screen. So just make sure it all fits in there. And what you're going to do is just record a few seconds of your Bitmoji. So I'm going to record a few seconds and then release. I'm going to mute that. What you need to do next is, you don't have to post this. All you have to do is download it. So down here, you're going to go ahead and click download. And it's going to say save. So what that means is that it's saved to your device's gallery. Once you're done with that, what you need to do is transfer that file to your computer by whatever method you prefer, whether it be AirDrop or through Google Drive or OneDrive. Once you get that to your computer, what you're going to do is visit this website called unscreen.com. This is where you're going to remove the white background. So all you have to do is find that file on your computer. I have it right here, Snapchat. I'm just going to drag it onto this screen, and it starts the upload process. Now this goes by pretty quickly. You have to wait for it to process your video. Starts removing the background. So it's kind of trial and error. Sometimes you'll get the right parts of the background removed, sometimes you won't. In my case, it didn't remove everything just like I wanted it to, but I just left it like that anyways. So this is the result of the background removal. What you need to do next is come to this drop down and click GIF or GIF. You want to download this file. It'll create it for you. And it'll download it to your browser. If you're using Chrome, you'll see it down here. Otherwise, it'll be in your downloads folder. The next thing you need to do is go to your presentation, which I have right here. I already have a background set up on my slide. And all you have to do is drag that in there, drop it, and it's animated. So just place it wherever you'd like to have it placed. Now, some of you in your classrooms, you have other items that you want to make clickable. So what I suggest is that you crop your file, and you want to crop as close as you can to your animation. So just choose a shape that matches your animation. I believe I chose this one earlier, trapezoid. So that way I have this part and this part free for other objects in my classroom. And that's it. That's all you need to do to get your animation into your Google Slides. I hope this helped.